Good morning, students. Let us start with our exercise 13.2, question number 1. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Now see here, first question is 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 8. Now see here, the base is same, 3. Now the exponents, see here, it is 2, 4 and 8. And here it is multiplication. I told you in the introduction, when it is multiplication, it will change to addition. So, 3 raised to the power 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 3, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. So your answer is 3 raised to the power 14. Now see here, 6 raised to the power 15 divide by 6 raised to the power 10. When it is divide, it will become minus. So 6 raised to the power 15 minus 10 is equal to 6 raised to the power 15 minus 10 is 5. Understood? Next is 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 3 divide by 5 raised to the power 3. Now here is the power of power. Now what you will do? 5, 2 multiply by 3. Divide by 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 5, 2 3s are 6. Divide by 5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 5, 6 minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. Understood? Now see, 2 raised to the power 5 into 5 raised to the power 5. Here the base, different base and exponent is same. So 2 into 5 raised to the power 5 is equal to 2 5s are 10. 10 raised to the power 5. Next is 2 raised to the power 20 divide by 2 raised to the power 15 into 2 raised to the power 3. Now first we will solve this. Divide. So what we will do? We will subtract. 2 raised to the power 20 minus 15 into 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. 20 minus 15 is 5 into 2 raised to the power 3. Now you know how to solve. 2 raised to the power 5 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 8. Understood? Now this is your homework. Now see, in this sum it is x and 2. So what you will do? 7x plus 2 you will write. Okay? This is your answer. Question number 2. Simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Now 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 4 divide by 3 into 32. Now see here how we will do. 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 4 into, now we will break this form. 2 into 2 is 4. Divide by 3 into, again we will break this 32. 2 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. That is 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 2 how many times? 2 times. 2 divide by 3 into 2 5 times. Now what we will do? Now you know. See, 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power 2. And here it is multiplication. So we will do addition. 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 into 3 raised to the power 4. Divide by 3 into 2 raised to the power 5. 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power 5 into 3 raised to the power 4. Divide by 2 raised to the power 5. Here let us write into 3. Now 2, 5. This is divide. 2 raised to the power 5 minus 2 raised to the power 5 is 2 raised to the power 0 into 3 raised to the power 4. And here nothing is there, so we will take 1. So 3 raised to the power 4 minus 1 is 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2 raised to the power 0 is 1 into 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. This is your answer. Next is 25 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now see, we will break this 25. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now how many times 5? 2 times. So 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 4 divide by 5 raised to the power 3. Right, 2 4s are 8. So 5 raised to the power 8. Here it is divide. So it will become minus 3. So 5 raised to the 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5 raised to the power 5 is your answer. Now see here, 2 raised to the power 0 plus 3 raised to the power 0 plus 4 raised to the power 0. When the power is 0, that value is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 3. This is your answer. Now here 2 raised to the power 0 multiply by 3 raised to the power 0 multiply by 4 raised to the power 0. Now you know 2 raised to the power 0 means 1 multiply by 3 raised to the power 0 1 multiply by 4 raised to the power 0 1. So 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 is 1. Understood? Now this is your homework. Now in this sum what you will do? You will break 21. That means 3 into 7. Then you know how to do the sum. Here also you will break this 4. Next here it is A8 into B3 and A5 into B2. Now here the base is same. So 3 plus 1 4. Then you will multiply this with 2. Okay. Question number 3. Say true or false and justify your answer. The first one is 10 into 10 raised to the power 11 is equal to 100 raised to the power 11. Now see, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Now left hand side, it is 10. Here nothing is here, so it is 1 into 10 raised to the power 11. That is 10 raised to the power 12. This is left hand side. Now right hand side, it is C. 100 raised to the power 11. Now see, 100 raised to the power 11. 100 means 10 into 10. That means 10 2 times. 10 raised to the power 2 raised to the whole power 11. Now see, is equal to 10. 2 into 11 is 22. That means left hand side is 10 raised to the power 12. Right hand side is 10 raised to the power 22. The left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, this statement is false. This statement is false. Next sum. 2 raised to the power 3 is greater than 5 raised to the power 2. Now see, 2 raised to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, 5 raised to the power 2 is equal to 5 into 5. That is 25. Now, see, this one is greater or this one? It is less than 25. Therefore, this is false. False. Understood? This is your homework. Next, question number 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. So, first let us factorize this. 108. 2. 54 2s are 2. 27 2s are 3. 3 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Next, 192 also we will factorize. 2. 96. 2. 48. 2. 24. 2. 12. 2. 6. 2. 3. 3. 1. Now 108 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3. 192 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 and 1 times 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 time 3. Therefore, 108 into 192 is equal to, count how many times 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 raised to the power 8 into how many times 3? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 raised to the power 4. Understood? This is your homework. Question number 5, simplify. This is your homework. This is just like our question number 2. Exercise 13.3, question number 1. Write the following numbers in the expanded forms. First is 2,79,404. You already know how to expand a number. Now see, 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 9 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 4 into 1 is equal to, now see here, 2 into 10 raised to the power, count these zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 9 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 0. Understood? Second is 30,06,194. So expand this, 3 into 10 lakh plus 0 into lakh plus 0 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 1 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Again same way, 3 into 10 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 raised to the power 6 plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 0. Understood? This is your homework. Question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded forms. Now 8 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 0. Now we have to find the number. So 8 into 10 raised to the power 4. That means plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 3. 6 into 1000. 10 3 times is 1000. Plus 0 into 10 raised to the power 2. That means 10 into 10, 100. Plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 10. 1. 10 raised to the power 1. 4 into 10 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 0 means 1. Then 8 into 10,000 is 80,000 plus 6 into 1000 is 6,000 plus 0 into 100 is 0 plus 4 into 10 is 40 plus 5 into 1 is 5. So our answer is 86,045. Understood? Now this is your homework. Now see here, 4 into 10 raised to the power 5. Then it is 3. 4 is not given. That means 0 into 10 raised to the power 4. Here also 2 is given, 1 is not there. So 0 into 10 raised to the power 1 will come. Okay? Understood? Question number 3. Express the following numbers in standard forms. Now see here. 5 crore. So how you will write? 5 into, now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 raised to the power 7. That means you have to multiply 10 7 times. 6, 7 is equal to 5 into 10 raised to the power 7. This is the standard form of this number. Understood? Now next, here, how we will write this in standard form? After 3, we will put the decimal point. So 3.186500000 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 raised to the power 9. So standard form of this is 3.1865 into 10 raised to the power 9. Understood? Now next is 3,90,878. Now no zeros here. So first what we will do? We will put the decimal point here. 3.90878. Now see, here we put the decimal point. Now see how many digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means into 10 raised to the power 5. So the standard form is 3.90878 into 10 raised to the power 5. Understood? Now next, here. Now here is the decimal point. First what we will do? We will shift this decimal point to here. So 3 point. Now see, this digit is already after the decimal point. Now we move these 4 digits. So we will multiply this with only 10 raised to the power 4. 10 raised to the power 4. Why? Because this digit is already after the decimal point. So now the standard form of this number is 3.90878 into 10 raised to the power 4. Now these two sums your homework, and question number 4 is also your homework. Now question number 4 is just like question number 3. Understood? Now in this sum, see here, decimal, after the decimal point there are 2 digits. So you will move this decimal point to here. That means 908 into 10 raised to the power 3 you will do. Okay? With this we complete our chapter here.